So the first thing that I would normally do if Lisa hadn't arrived yet is that I would add topics. But since Lisa's already here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on her picture right there. And that's going to bring up this little menu. And in the menu, I'm going to say make a moderator. She's now going to be able to help me moderate the room, which means she can invite people up, send them back to the audience, let everybody know what is happening. I'm actually going to now add topics. I will, before I add topics, I'm going to go ahead and let Lisa introduce the room and do a little quick room reset because she's freaking fabulous at it and I love it when she does it.
I just want to take a moment and say, hey, hey, want to welcome you to the International Mod Squad Club here inside a Clubhouse. Where you are in the room, welcome to Clubhouse, a quick guided tour with an amazing social audio pro, Miss Cyndilu Miller. In here, she's going to give you the quick tips and tricks to manage your way through this app, and we are just so excited to have you here.
Yay!